Hello, everyone, and welcome to Smart English Official. Stop what you are doing.
What? Why?
I have a question for you.
Okay, what is it?
Can you say, "Excuse me, where is the bathroom?"
Yes, easy.
Can you say, "I'm so hungry, let's eat something"?
Yes, that too.
Can you say, "Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you say that again?"
Yes, I think so.
Good. But can you say them fast, naturally, without thinking?
Maybe not always.
That is what today is about.
Today, we are going to practice 50 daily English sentences.
Simple sentences, real sentences, sentences you can use today.
Stay with us. By the end of this episode, you will feel much more confident.
Let's go. Welcome back to Smart English Official.
Your easy English podcast for beginners and everyday learners.
I am Lima.
And I am James. Hello, Lima. Hello to all our amazing friends listening right now.
Hi, James. How are you feeling today?
I am feeling great today. Very energetic. Very ready.
Oh, good, because today we have a big episode.
Big but easy. We're going to go through 50 sentences together.
Sentences for real life. Sentences you need every day.
At home, at work, at the shop, with friends.
These are not textbook sentences. These are real English.
And we will say each sentence clearly so you can repeat after us.
Yes, please repeat. Say it out loud. Don't just listen.
Saying it out loud helps your mouth remember the words.
And that is how you become fluent, one sentence at a time.
But first, a small favor from our friends.
If you enjoy this podcast, please click the like button.
And subscribe to Smart English Official. New episodes every week.
Share this with a friend who is learning English.
Okay, are you ready?
I am ready. Let's start.
Let's start with the morning. You wake up. What do you say?
Sentence 1. Good morning. How are you?
Simple, friendly. Say it with a smile.
Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you?
Sentence 2. I slept very well last night.
Or you can say, I didn't sleep well. I'm a little tired.
Sentence 3. I need a cup of coffee.
James says every morning.
Every single morning.
Sentence 4. What time is it?
Short, simple, very useful.
Sentence 5. I'm getting ready. I'll be ready soon.
Sentence 6. What are we having for breakfast?
My favorite sentence.
Food is always Lima's favorite.
Sentence 7. I'm running late. I need to hurry.
We all say this sometimes.
Sentence 8. Have a great day.
Say this to your family, your friends, your coworkers.
It makes people feel good.
Now, let's repeat all 8 together, slowly.
Good morning. How are you?
I slept very well last night.
I need a cup of coffee.
What time is it?
I'm getting ready. I'll be ready soon.
What are we having for breakfast?
I'm running late. I need to hurry.
Have a great day.
Now, let's go shopping. You walk into a store. What do you say?
Sentence 9. Excuse me, can you help me?
Always polite, always useful.
Sentence 10. How much does this cost?
Or, how much is this? Same meaning.
Sentence 11. Do you have this in a different size?
Sentence 12. I'm just looking, thank you.
This is important when you don't want help yet.
Sentence 13. I'll take this one, please.
Sentence 14. Can I pay by card?
Or, do you accept cash?
Sentence 15. Can I have a bag, please?
Sentence 16. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Always say thank you. Always.
It makes a big difference.
Let's repeat these shopping sentences.
Excuse me, can you help me?
How much does this cost?
Do you have this in a different size?
I'm just looking, thank you.
I'll take this one, please.
Can I pay by card?
Can I have a bag, please?
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Now, let's eat, my favorite section.
Of course it is.
Sentence 17. A table for 2, please.
Sentence 18. Can I see the menu, please?
Sentence 19. I'd like to order, please.
That means I am ready to order.
Sentence 20. What do you recommend?
This is a great one. The waiter will tell you the best food.
Sentence 21. I'll have the pasta, please.
Or chicken, or soup, or anything you want.
Sentence 22. Can I have some water, please?
Always ask for water.
Sentence 23. This is delicious. I love it.
Delicious.
Sentence 24. Can I have the bill, please?
The bill means the check, the paper with the price.
Let's repeat.
A table for two, please.
Can I see the menu, please?
I'd like to order, please.
What do you recommend?
I'll have the pasta, please.
Can I have some water, please?
This is delicious. I love it.
Can I have the bill, please?
Now, talking with people. This is very important.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan, and you?
How long have you been learning English?
A little longer, but very useful.
Can you speak slowly, please?
This one is very important for beginners.
Don't be shy to ask.
Sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
That's very interesting.
I agree with you.
Or, I'm not sure about that.
Both are polite and natural.
Let's repeat.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan, and you?
How long have you been learning English?
Can you speak slowly, please?
Sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
That's very interesting.
I agree with you.
Now, at home. These are everyday home sentences.
Sentence 34. I'm home.
Say this when you arrive home.
Sentence 35. What's for dinner tonight? James asks this every day.
Every single day.
Sentence 36. Can you turn off the light, please?
Sentence 37. I'm going to bed. Good night.
Sentence 38. Can you help me with this?
Very useful. Don't be afraid to ask for help.
Sentence 39. I'm watching TV. Do you want to join me?
Sentence 40. Let's clean the house together. Not your favorite sentence?
Not really, but it is important.
Sentence 41. I need to make a phone call.
Let's repeat the home sentences.
I'm home.
What's for dinner tonight?
Can you turn off the light, please?
I'm going to bed. Good night.
Can you help me with this?
I'm watching TV. Do you want to join me?
Let's clean the house together.
I need to make a phone call.
Last section, work and school sentences.
These are very important for daily life.
Sentence 42. Good morning, everyone.
Simple, friendly, professional.
Sentence 43. I have a question.
Don't be afraid to ask questions.
Sentence 44. Can you explain that again, please?
Use this in class or meetings.
Sentence 45. I understand now. Thank you.
Let your teacher or colleague know you got it.
Sentence 46. I'm working on it.
This means I am doing it. I am busy with it.
Sentence 47. Can we meet tomorrow?
Sentence 48. I'll send you an email.
Very common in work life.
Sentence 50. I finished my work.
That feels so good to say.
Yes, it does.
And sentence 50. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening.
The perfect ending to your day.
Let's repeat the final group.
Good morning, everyone.
I have a question.
Can you explain that again, please?
I understand now. Thank you.
I'm working on it.
Can we meet tomorrow?
I'll send you an email.
I finished my work.
See you tomorrow. Have a good evening.
Wow, Lima, we did it.
We went through all 50 sentences.
Let's do a super fast review, just the sections.
Section 1, morning sentences.
Section 2, at the shop.
Section 3, at a restaurant.
Section 4, talking with people.
Section 5, at home.
Section 6, at work or school.
50 sentences. All simple, all real, all useful.
And now, your job is to practice.
Use one sentence today, just one.
Tomorrow, use 2.
Next week, use 10.
And soon, these sentences will be automatic.
You will say them without thinking.
That is fluency, natural English.
Friends, we have a question for you.
Which sentence was your favorite today?
Write it in the comments below.
Write it in English. Don't worry about mistakes.
Just try. We love reading your comments.
And if this episode helped you,
Please give us a like, thumbs up,
subscribe to Smart English Official.
and share this with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
You worked hard today. You listened, you repeated, you learned.
Be proud of yourself.
This was Smart English Official with Lima and James.
Until next time, keep practicing every day.
Small steps, big changes.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, and keep speaking English.
See you in the next episode.
You've got